Hey there, friends! If you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Today, I'll teach you a simple but powerful conversation skill. Then, you will practice by continuing the conversation in the comments. Yes, this is your challenge. So stick around, learn the trick, and then join the chat. Let's talk about one of the most important skills in English conversation: how to give a natural reply and keep the conversation going. A lot of English learners stop the conversation too early. Someone asks, "How was your weekend?" and they just say, "It was good." That's okay, but it's not great. Let me show you a better way. Step 1. Answer the question. Step 2. Add a small detail. Step 3. Ask a related question. Here's an example. "It was great. I went out with some friends and tried a new burger place. Have you ever had a truffle burger?" See? Now the other person can reply easily. That's how conversations stay alive. That's how you sound fluent. Now, let's look at some phrases to help you sound more natural and friendly when you reply. Useful fillers. Let me think. Well, actually, to be honest, friendly comments. That's interesting. Sounds like fun. No way, really? And some follow-up questions. What about you? Have you ever tried that? Do you usually do that on weekends? These small things make your replies more real, more like a friendly chat. Now, it's your turn. I'm going to start a conversation, and I want you to reply in the comments. Then, read at least one other person's comment and reply to them too. Here's the conversation starter. "Hey, I finally had a chill weekend. I stayed in, watched a movie, and cooked something new. What did you do?" Now in the comments. Answer the question, add a little detail, ask a follow-up question. Pretend we're talking in real life. And then, pick someone else's comment and keep chatting. Let's build a conversation thread like we're all sitting around one table. That's it for today. Try your best. Don't worry about mistakes. That's how we learn. I'll be reading and replying to your comments too, so let's talk. And if you enjoyed this practice, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I've got more English speaking videos coming every week. See you in the comments, and speak soon!